Welcome to OLOP. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And we're the Wagners, and we just wanted to give everybody an update on YouTube on how we're doing, what we're doing. The last video that we did, we said that we were struggling a little bit with a couple things, so we wanted to go more in detail with y'all.
Right.
Because we don't want to hide anything from our viewers, and we just want to share our...
We're not struggling, but we're struggling with technology and how to do this right.
Yeah. And if anybody out there might do YouTube later on, then you can kind of see what we're doing and how we transition and all those things. It's fun. It's interesting for sure, and it's more work than we anticipated, I think.
Yes. It's like a full-time job.
It kind of is. I enjoy it a lot, so it's like more like a hobby, editing and everything.
Yeah. Hope y'all enjoy it, because it's not like you just walk and snap and keep going. It's work. I mean,
we have to take
it's a job.
Almost 5 hours worth of content to produce, like maybe 20 minutes worth almost. It seems like
I would think a lot more than 5 hours, but lots of content for 20 minutes.
Yep. And it's always like trying to figure out, is it going to be good enough or whatever. And I actually have to watch all the footage, and I kind of lately been scanning through it, because we've been so busy and trying to keep up with all the footage that's coming in. Yeah. So that's what I'm talking about. We kind of have to stop this when we're done with this tour. Give me a couple weeks, and we're going to do a really cool, we're going to do some renovations. We're going to do some renovations to the bus, and that'd be cool, kind of showing it, and it's kind of showing our new techniques and stuff that we wanted to kind of...
A couple little things that we need to attend to when we get home, and that didn't quite work out right on the road.
We're at a gay campground right now, so I wanted the support.
You're supporting.
All right, that's it. That's the whole get up right here. Wait, whoo.
Oh my God.
Now I won't be doing this the whole time. Why? Just be like, hey.
I bought it, but God, I didn't think it'd look like that.
You thought it'd be a little cuter too.
I don't know. Oh my God. Okay.
Oh.
Maybe not so. Yeah. There you go. That's it.
That's it. See if I can actually talk. Anyway, computer, or your cell, here.
Any of y'all could not laugh at that damn thing. It's hilarious.
So we had no memory, so we couldn't update our computer, and we didn't have any Wi-Fi to update either. And then all of a sudden my iPad went crazy, and then we couldn't do anything with that either because I had no memory. And we tried these little thumb drives, and I guess it's a solid state thumb drive, but we need something to upload a little faster, because as it uploaded, it took 20 to 30 minutes uploading a 16-minute video to that thumb drive. And
that's when we had good signal and all that stuff.
Had nothing to do with signal. It was strictly
device to device.
Yeah, to my device, to that thumbnail. And then that's when we started losing content, because I was trying to upload things to that thumb drive so I could free up some space with the iPad and the computer before it crashed completely. And I thought it was uploading because it was taking a very long time, and it said it uploaded or whatever, but then it would never play those videos.
Right.
So that's kind of what we've been struggling with, and I kind of got into this funks, like, ugh, it's too much work now. You know what I mean? It's over which it is, over my knowledge on computers or with anything, but I'm not giving up. It's just something we have to learn, and we're doing that now.
And we're trying.
Yeah, we're definitely trying, and we love having you following us, and we appreciate y'all staying with us also with our very slow uploads and different things.
Right.
And then, after all said and done, we got while we're doing all this, I'm trying to do a better quality video, so we have a camera, a really nice camera.
A new to us camera.
New to us camera. and I don't know how to work it yet either. So all this stuff is like happening brand new, but I thought I didn't think the computers and all that would just crash at the same time either. So it's just been one thing after another, but we're gonna get it all worked out. Right now I'm editing on my iPad, so you probably saw the last couple videos have been like weird, kind of. Not to my, I think it should be better quality. Probably. Just bear with me. I'm trying to put out a video first of all. We bought a new program for editing, what is it called? The Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro. And I just haven't. I need the computer up and running to actually use it, and I cannot wait to get my hands on that. I've used it for one day, and that's when it crashed.
Yep.
So
we wonder why it crashed.
So Sandy and Jed are our best friends, and they are big YouTubers, and much bigger than we are, at least. And their channel is called
Wonderful Revolution.
Wonderful Revolution, and we'll put a link on this video also in the description, so you can follow them if you like. And we're learning a lot from them, and it's been really a mind opening for us, because I can see how they record content, see how they interact with the videos and things that they put out, and I definitely want to intertwine some of that with our channel also. So we're trying to learn from them, and if you never implement some things or change some things, then they never get better. So we're going to continue to get better with that, and we're really excited about it. But it's just like, Curtis, I need an Apple Store.
We're nowhere near one.
Well, I know that. That's why I said we need an Apple Store, because if we were near one, I wouldn't have to say that. Anyway.
In case you haven't seen, the camera's on and Gigi's here.
Thank you again for watching our channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the bell notification.
Bing.
I gotta look at that stuff.